how to safely transfer coins from an OKX wallet to Binance. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll show you how to securely transfer your cryptocurrency from an OKX wallet to Binance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you complete the process with ease. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. 1. Preparation. What you'll need. Binance account. Sign up for a Binance account if you don't already have one. Complete the verification process to unlock full features. OKX wallet. Ensure you have access to your OKX wallet and that it contains sufficient funds for the transfer. Check that you have enough cryptocurrency to cover both the transfer amount and the network fees. Network selection. Decide which network you'll use for the transfer, e.g. ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20. Make sure the selected network is supported by Binance. Second step 1. Obtain a deposit address on Binance One. Log in to Binance. Sign in to your Binance account. 2. Select deposit option. Navigate to wallet, fiat and spot, then search for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, e.g. USDT. Click deposit. 3. Choose the network. Select the network you want to use for the transaction, e.g. ERC20, TRC20, BEP20. Warning, choosing the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. 4. Copy the address. Carefully copy the deposit address displayed. Step 2. Transfer from OKX to Binance One. Log in to OKX wallet. Open your OKX wallet app or log into your account. 2. Initiate a transfer. Click send or transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. 3. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Ensure you account for network fees, so the remaining balance is sufficient. 4. Confirm the network. Verify that the selected network matches the network you chose on Binance. 5. Review and confirm the transaction. Double-check all details before proceeding. Confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. 4. Security tips for your transaction. Keep your seed phrase safe. Your seed phrase is only needed for wallet recovery. Never enter it into third-party apps or share it with others. Double-check the address or always double-check the deposit address on Binance to avoid errors. A small typo could result in permanent loss of funds. Be aware of network fees. Research the network fees beforehand, as these can vary significantly depending on the blockchain. Monitor the transaction status. Use the transaction hash to track the progress on a blockchain explorer. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Wrong network. Selection. Always choose the same network on both platforms, e.g. TRC20 on OKX and TRC20 on Binance. Insufficient fees. Ensure there is enough cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover the network fees to avoid transaction failure. Phishing websites. Only use the official websites and apps of OKX and Binance to prevent scams. 6. What to do if the transaction fails. 1. Check the blockchain. Use the transaction hash to verify the status of the transfer on a blockchain explorer. 2. Contact customer support. Reach out to OKX or Binance support if issues persist. Be ready to provide all relevant information, such as the transaction hash. 7. Benefits of transferring between wallets and exchanges. Flexibility. Moving your coins between platforms allows you to take advantage of the best trading opportunities. Security. Using secure wallets makes you less dependent on centralized exchanges. Diversification. Holding cryptocurrencies on multiple platforms reduces the risk of total loss in case of a hack. Conclusion: transferring cryptocurrency may seem complicated at first, but by following these steps, you can move your coins from OKX to Binance safely and efficiently. Do you have any questions or suggestions for future topics? Drop them in the comments and share your experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrencies.